guys, Becki-licious here. It is a very rainy Saturday, but it's actually a very exciting day because tonight's Supercross. Anaheim won, woohoo! So we're excited at this house. So I'm gonna make a really quick dinner. I love doing wings, and I just bought a brand new stove. I actually have an air fryer. I have an air fryer I have to lug out all the time, and my new stove comes equipped with an air fryer in it. Who knew that was a thing? I didn't think it was necessary because I thought, well, I already have an air fryer. It is so handy, and so I love it. I absolutely love it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started, and it takes no time at all to get going. That's what I love about it. So I've already got my wings already in my bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these all seasoned up. But hey, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, click on that link tree, you know, all that fun stuff, okay? All right, so I have discovered this seasoning, and it is called Kickin Chicken, and it is amazing. I use it on everything. As a matter of fact, I'm getting low and I haven't been able to find it again, and I'm starting to panic, so such is life. But we're gonna get this all seasoned up because you want this everywhere, because this gives it just a little bit of kick, but not too much to where your mouth is on fire. So this is what we're going for. All mixed up and seasoned. So I want that seasoning everywhere. It smells so good too. The seasoning is just, like I said, it's amazing. We've already got our pan all ready. As you can see, my helpers are down here waiting, thinking they're getting some chicken. There we go. A little bit. Let's do one more pass through of the seasoning to make sure, because you can never have too much. That's for sure. Okay. Perfect. All right. So now we're going to get these all placed on the pan. The flats are the ones that I love the best, but such is life. All right. Thank you there. Yum. Yeah, we have been anxiously counting down for Supercross at my house for quite a long time, so, and we are so ready to sit and watch tonight, so it's very exciting. So we know what I'll be doing every single Saturday night until May. All right, we're gonna make these all fit. Come hell or come high water, they're all gonna fit in here. One more, thank you there. Get those off so I can sprinkle just a little teeny tiny bit more on the ones that look a little bit like they need it. All right, there we go. So this is it. This is all ready to go. We're gonna throw this in our air fryer and let them get all nice and cooked up so we can watch Supercross. All right? All right, let's pull these wings out of the oven. Let them start to cool down a little bit so we can eat them. Holy smokes, don't those look good. Yummy. Yummy. Yeah, we're gonna let those cool down for a little bit. Let's jam over here and let's make us a salad to go along with this. So I've already got my lettuce in here, and we are going to throw some cheese. And we're gonna do Italian this time around. So let's get this poured all in here. Yummy, 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 yummy. Now, I don't know if you can notice, but because we're in the Supercross frame of mind today, I've got my dirt bike bracelet on and my motorcycle earrings, because, you know, like I said, we take Supercross very seriously around here. It's just how we roll. All right, I think I'm gonna do a little bit more dressing. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna add in salad topper. This is the good stuff. It's got sunflower seeds and cherries, blueberries and pecans. Good stuff. All right, looky there. All right, let's fix us up a plate and get ready to eat. And there we go, our finished plate. We are all set and ready to have some dinner and then get ready to watch Supercross later on. So I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to message me and say hi. Let me know what's going on with you, okay? I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.